To use large mode as display mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Under display mode section, tap large display thumbnail. As you can see, when you apply this display mode, your phone will increase font size and screen zoom level, as well as turn on bold font and highlight buttons. To apply this display mode, tap apply. As a note, you can adjust, change the selection, or even turn off one or some of these features if they don't suit your need. As the example, you can adjust the font size to be bigger or smaller. Given to the function, large display mode is designed to improve readability and visibility for those with low vision or those who have difficulty in reading what's on their screen with the default mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.